Hello everyone, today in this video we are going to talk about a very unique feature, Spotlight Selfie. Yes, the latest Vivo device, Vivo V21 comes with the unique feature Spotlight Selfie. It provides you clear, sharp and brighter images, quality pictures in the low light conditions, in the indoor conditions. It provides you dual LED flash placed on the left and right section of the 44 megapixel OIS night selfie camera, which gives you a unique photo quality, unique picture and clear picture. To enable the spotlight selfie, you have to go to camera, swipe to night, there you'll see spotlight. When you turn on the spotlight, the dual LED flash will focus on your face. You can capture the picture. Open it and see the quality.